Happy New Year to all. It's 1st Jan and today my day has started at 10 p.m. without any breakfast because of this guy. Can you show your face? This guy, he's not letting me eat breakfast just because I got late while dressing up. See his dress up. He is wearing shirt and pant. This man is wearing shirt and pant. You know him from last Wayanad trip.
Two men are wearing shirt and pant. Actually, men cannot wear sari.
See their things. And just look at me. I'm wearing sari by myself. You know how hard it is to wear a sari. I took that courage to wear. And these two guys didn't let me get dressed up. And now when I dressed up, they're not letting me eat. I'm so hungry. I'm in Wayanad. I have to go to Mysore Cafe. They're not letting me go. So Mysore Cafe people, if you are watching, these are the people who are stopping your brandings. Okay? Let's go. No, please. I'm seriously hungry.
Actually, it's a matter of time. Just 10 minutes. We need to go for that inauguration. We can come.
Inauguration is not for 10 minutes. It's going to take time.
No, it's only 10 minutes.
Yeah, right. No, right. I am showing right, doing left. We are at our office right now and the preparations are going on. It's a opening of our new branch. So we are at our Techneurons head office, not head office, like it's another office in Wayanad, that is 10 Wine. So today is the inauguration ceremony of it, for what I have get dressed up. And as you know, I haven't eaten anything because of these two people. New Year, I am dressing up like this because I was thinking like to dress up in an Indian attire. That's why I am wearing sari today. So tell me, how is it? Back at Mysore Cafe. This is one of my favorite now because I really love their food. Yesterday also. Finally at 11 p.m. It's 11 right now. We are coming to have breakfast. Let's see what comes today. Anyway, we South Indians now, I would say, prefer to go with masala dosha, idli, puttu in the mornings. And that's how we ended up. We ordered masala dosha now. One thing I like about South Indian cafes is their hot water. They always serve hot water before food or after food. That's their very big specialty, and I really appreciate this because hot water is really good for health. Good, keep it up South Indians. दोबारा से हमने सेम चीज़ें ऑर्डर करी हैं, so let me enjoy this. Everyone. मेरी वॉइस काफ़ी ख़राब हो गई है because yesterday night I drank lemon soda and you can see my face is also too much swollen. I just woke up. It's like double of my real face size. अभी मैं हूँ कोड़ीकोड में. ये बात मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. सो मुझे तो कोड़ीकोड काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है बिकॉज हेयर इट्स वेरी पीसफुल एज वेल एज इट्स टू ग्रीन. लाइक आप देख सकते हो घर के चारों ओर बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी है. एंड जस्ट सी द हाउसेस बिटवीन एंड ऑल अराउंड इट्स लाइक सराउंडेड विद ट्रीज and there are lot of backyards. So currently the place where I'm staying is also something like that, and I'm really loving it. And in the morning itself we can hear so many like blissful sounds, so that is what I'm liking it. I feel like जब मैं केरला में नई आई थी ना, तो मैं एक जगह रहा करती थी, that was ओलारीकारा. It was kind of similar like that. Trees से surrounded और बीच में house. आप देख सकते हो दूर दूर तक यहाँ पे आपको ट्रीज ही ट्रीज दिखेंगे. दैट्स हाउ वी वर सपोज टू लिव. बट ये हम लोगों ने, कह सकते हैं ह्यूमन ने, ये सब कुछ बिगाड़ दिया है. लेकिन केरला में अभी भी ये चीज़ मेंटेन है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दिस, दैट पीपल इन केरला लिव विद द ग्रीन सराउंडिंग्स. ग्रीन आई थिंक इज कॉल्ड एज पच्चा in Malayalam. So yesterday some kids were talking with me in Malayalam, so some words I have learned like that. So they were speaking something like manslayo, and so many words were there. So I learned so many words yesterday night. So now we have to head towards wedding. So for that wedding I have to get ready. So I'm feeling like to sit here, meditate and relax, but we do not have that much of time. So So we have to go now.
I have told this before also that it's my dream to make a house like this in Kerala, which is surrounded by a lot of coconut trees and banana trees, and in between the houses there. So this is one of my core dream which I have to fulfill in the same life. So I'm just looking to fulfill such dreams, because in Kerala the peace is still existing. That is what we all need. But just because of rush of the life, we are just going so much forward.
Almost ready for our function. Mridula is still into the mirror. She's thinking like she's looking like a teacher, and I'm thinking looking like I'm going for some dandiya. Let me show you the entire look. I think if it is visible from here. Let me try it. Not really, but I'm trying to do the whole look. That is also true. Let me see over here. You might be thinking, why am I dressed up this much? Because my Mallu friend, in like whose wedding I'm going to.
Whose brother, cousin's wedding is your brother?
Yeah, whose brother wedding is it is. She told me to dress like a North Indian only. She told like do not dress very simply and all. I was wearing some other dress, but she told me to wear this kind of dresses. So that's why I'm wearing this. So do not think why am I overdressed. But in Calicut, I think it's more over like I could see people are dressing up so nicely over here, like with so many things. So here I'm not feeling alone. In Thrissur and all, they do not dress up that much. So I feel like, okay, I'm too much over. Let me see and check our other friends initially. Anna? I think she's not here right now. It's too hot outside right now. Anna is not there. Let's call her.
I don't want later. Can you just help me with this?
Mridula calls me Edda. This woman, she is wearing shoes under the sari. She is like this. She is wearing she is doing this kind of things, and you know what? The sari she is wearing on pants. She is asking me to move. I'm not moving because I want to make a vlog. Show your pants under the sari.
No.
Please once.
No, I can't show it. I can't show.
So she is wearing pants under the sari. She doesn't have that
No,
pavada. I only know that word pavada. And we have Anna here. She is going. She's so busy. So she was the one with whom we were staying. So say hi to my subscriber at least. Hi. She's our dearest friend from Calicut. And now we are good to go. We are getting so late because of Mridula.
Not me.
See, she heard it. Okay, let's go. What are you doing, Mridula?
Earrings are heavy. So I'm holding my ear.
She's too much out of anything. She's wearing jeans under the sari, no petticoats. That means that underskirt. She is somehow wearing these earrings. See, this somehow. Okay, and I can't tell you about her. She's something out of the box. If I will show you down, she is wearing sport shoes under her sari. So I can't say in words. She's too much.
After this, my mom
So finally we are at the wedding venue now, and the wedding was supposed to, like, we are in Calicut, and in Calicut there is a place called Malappuram where I have been many times due to the Calicut airport. So this is the favorite place of mine because the tickets are slightly cheap here.
We have reached here. Program is going on. It's too sunny. The place was so far. All thanks to her. so they drove it very well. Because it was very hard to reach here. Successfully we reached here. So and Mridula is still into trouble after wearing sari. She doesn't like to be a woman.
No, wearing it's earring only.
Earring only. This is the only accessory which she is wearing. That too she can't wear. So finally we are at the wedding, and this is our beautiful bride and the groom. So we are from the groom side, as our friend Aparna's cousin brother is the one who is the groom right now. So we are invited on his wedding, and this was the first time I think I am observing a Hindu wedding in Kerala. Otherwise I have been to many weddings, but I haven't seen the main function of the wedding, like this main function. So this was my first experience of Kerala Hindu wedding. I have been to other weddings also. There I have so many Christian friends, and in their weddings I have been. So even though I haven't seen the main wedding, so if any one of you wants to show me, you can invite me. I'm so happy to come and enjoy the Kerala wedding. So there is a, like in my last video also, so many people were saying like there is a very big difference between Kerala wedding and North Indian weddings. North Indian wedding so much fun happens, but in Kerala the weddings are super silent. But as far as I could like, my experience is something like I love both ways. I love both ways because in Kerala wedding the real culture of like the wedding is still alive, whereas in North, due to like so much of, this is just my opinion, okay, do not just think in the other way, but my opinion is something like the wedding is silent for sure in Kerala, but this is the real way of doing a wedding, like in a temple in front of God. That is what I personally like. I feel this is the real way of getting married. In North the things are changed right after the Mughal entered, so that is the major issue. I am not comparing here, okay, it's just my opinion and way of seeing the things, but I like both ways. I am a North Indian and I am a South Indian too, so I like both ways. What I like too much about the Kerala wedding is you can see in every woman's hair there is mulappu. Like mulappu are the flowers which they are having in their hair. If my hair would be longer, for sure I would have done the same with me. I love to dress up like this, and you can see the bride also, she is wearing proper gold jewelry on a silk sari. That is what I personally like. Not like it is for sure expensive, but I like this core way. The wedding, it is happening in a proper Hindu ways, and I'm loving it. I cannot express my feelings over this. For sure in North we have so much of fun and all, we youngsters like that, but this is our core culture which we need to follow. Actually in Kerala the weddings happens in the temple, but here the wedding is happening in an auditorium because the gathering is too much. Otherwise it happens in temple. मैं thankful हूँ अपने केरला फ्रेंड्स के लिए जिन्होंने मुझे इनवाइट किया शादी में, और यहाँ पे मैंने सद्या भी enjoy किया because I am a vegetarian, but there were so many non-veg options also in the wedding, and wedding was super good, and you can see the bride is so much happy and she is looking so blissful, and I personally love it. In Kerala generally people use tulasi mala, like here they are using flower mala, but that's depends upon personal choice, and very nicely like all the things are happening. I was just observing everything because this is new to me and I personally like this way. So I hope you like this video. So with the blessings of God and family, one more new life has been started. So I want you, all of you, to give some blessing to our bride and groom. And you can see the bride have taken the steering in her hand, and I would suggest you, if the woman is handling the steering of the life, it is going to be super successful. As you can see how much happy people are, and this was the wedding vibe which I really enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed my vlog and you personally like about my vlog anything, please comment. I really want to hear what do you like the most, so that it gives me like a kick to start new videos. So there are more things coming up. Stay tuned. Bye.